All right, 12:17 right now, 23 degrees, and wow, we've had some pretty lucky weather.
Typical weather, winter stuff, but nothing major going on, and that's going to be the case pretty much right into the Christmas holiday. Good news for the travelers out there. In fact, speaking of traveling, I-90, exit 57 Camp Road down in Hamburg. A little bit of snow may be flying at this location right now, but you can see the visibility is pretty decent. Definitely a snowy day down at Ellicottville. From time to time, snow showers have been kind of clipping this area. Right now, it doesn't look like too much, but gosh, there's a lot of skiers out there enjoying the skiing today. Let's take a look at radar. And as you can see, there are some snow showers, more of them across the higher terrain to the south of the city. And there has been a little bit more up to the northeast of the city this morning. And I think those are going to be the prime target areas for the afternoon. Now, around the city, the northern eastern suburbs, maybe a passing flurry this afternoon up through Niagara County. But the bulk of the action, at least down here. And some of this is going to put down an additional light accumulation. In fact, there is a snow flurry at the airport right now. The Dash SN at Buffalo, Niagara Falls means a little bit of light snow coming down, also down at Bradford, also over toward Rochester. And as we take a look at it on Super Microcast for the afternoon, well, it is painting some snow over the area, but again, I think the main focus for this across the hills to the south and to the east of the city, and that will start to wind down as we get into the evening hours tonight with mostly cloudy skies remaining for the rest of the night. Then as we get into Friday, a pretty decent day ahead of us for Christmas Eve day. It looks like some clouds start to break up during the morning hours, revealing some partial sunshine, at least for the afternoon. Very similar to what we had going on around here back on Tuesday, if you recall. We started out cloudy and then brought some sunshine in the afternoon. But the clouds move back into the picture again, getting into tomorrow night. In advance of Christmas Day, it looks like skies will be mostly cloudy across the area and perhaps a few snow flurries, but no big storm and no heavy-duty lake effect going on Saturday. However, the tempo of the snow showers most likely will increase getting into Saturday night and Sunday. Right now, 26 from the Falls. We have 25 here at Buffalo, also down through Jamestown. Just a tad chillier at Wellsville, 21 degrees. These temperatures have not budged all that much all morning long, even since wake-up earlier today. And there's a bit of a wind chill to go with that, too. Right now, we're running 15 here in Buffalo, still some single digits down here along the Pennsylvania line. Wellsville at 7 degrees and 9 down at Bradford. And let's check your forecast details for this afternoon. The sunset time, that is coming up at 4:45 this afternoon. Water temp 35 off Buffalo. Good amount of ice forming off the eastern end of the lake now in the Harborfront area. The weather for today, mostly cloudy skies, maybe a snow flurry this afternoon. Scattered snow showers will be more likely, mainly across the higher terrain to the south of the city and well to the northeast of the city, up around Orleans and maybe portions of Genesee County. A brisk breeze and the high temp this afternoon, 25 to 30 degrees. For the overnight, leftover snow showers wind down across the hills this evening, mostly cloudy for the rest of the night, 17 to 23. And then tomorrow, clouds giving way to some partial sun for the afternoon, 25 to 30 degrees. As we get into Christmas Day, it looks to be mostly cloudy. Clouds will increase Christmas Eve night, by the way. They're mostly cloudy for Christmas Day. A few flurries around, nothing that we can't handle, 23 to 27 degrees. The snow showers become more likely getting into Saturday night, especially Sunday. The temperature drops too, down to about 20 for a high on Sunday. The winds kick up, so we're going to be dealing with a noticeable wind chill to wrap up the weekend as well.
Well, it is winter.